So today, Brian and I are checking out the Three Broomsticks here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Hogsmeade at Universal Orlando. Okay, actually we tried to do it earlier, I just didn't have an exterior shot. So now I do. And yes, it's so popular, they do actually have an outdoor queue, and obviously today they are using it. Also, kind of part of it is Hogsmeade, which is sort of, well, it's a bar.
I know we have a meeting.
Because here is Three Broomsticks, right, which is really just one whole area. Alright, so we are at the Broomsticks 3 trying the food here. Neither one of us have had it, so this is going to be a review of the Three Broomsticks. This here is,
I think this is the pear tea.
And that's some
lemonade.
And I am going to go, I, not being the Harry Potter fan, you being the Potter fan, I'm going with Butterbeer. Because that's what you do when you're at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Here at Universal Orlando Resort. There it is. I like how they have to specify on the menu non-alcoholic.
Yeah, because it is a confusing name, Butterbeer.
And it even looks like it has a head like the... Yeah. Here's a little look at the kitchen staff, hard at work. Good. Sweet.
There you are, you guys are all set.
Thank you very much.
Now it's going to be very dark, but here's our table. And if you want to eat at the Broomsticks 3, you get a pretty decent view of the magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle. Not as perfect as, but I mean, hey, you're eating a meal and watching the show. It's pretty cool. Fortunately, it's dark as I mentioned, but there it is. So you got what?
I got rotisserie chicken and a double order of the potatoes, which are, I like these potatoes. These are delicious to me.
I haven't tried them, but they look good.
Yeah.
And then this is the rotisserie chicken and ribs and double potatoes. And as I mentioned, Butterbeer. And we got a free lemonade as well because we're awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we had dinner and a show. We had our dinner and we watched the magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle. So Brian is finished with his. Mine is finished as well, as is my butt beer. Beer, I mean.
The food was good. The chicken was nice and tasty. The potatoes were delicious. And what do you think, Dave?
I really thought it was amazing. The food quality is very good. The ribs were excellent. Potatoes I've had a little bit better, but they're good. The chicken was really excellent too. The barbecue is amazing. I'm a little picky about my barbecue sauce. It's very, very good. So definitely one of the best restaurants here at Universal Orlando, in my opinion. And how are your beverages?
Well, the lemonade was good, and I got the pear cider, which I like. I think it's tasty. It's if you like pears, get the pear cider. The other choice.
But Brian, there's only one.
What do you mean?
You said it's pear cider, but I only see one.
But you can also get apple cider.
But then it's
there, pear cider.
Oh, pair of socks. I like the butterbeer because some people are like, oh, I can't go without. Like I could go the rest of my life without it, but it's good. The foam, whipped cream, whatever that is on top, for me is what makes it taste great. Without it, it would be pretty good, but the combination is really great.
Yeah.